If we can see some lightning bugs.
Yeah, maybe they'll think it's a lightning bug.
They might.
So it was Marriott and their baby was running the camera, right?
Yep, that's right. Here, let's go over here and see if we can find any lightning
Find
bugs.
a Marriott.
Sometimes we have them in the front yard too. Let's go in the front yard and see if we have any lightning bugs there. Wow. You alright?
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Dust on me.
See if there's any lightning bugs out here. Yeah, I bet if we sit pretty still.
Wait. We don't have a camera person. We have a camera person. We have a camera.
Why?
Because I'll put it on my butt.
You're gonna put the camera on your butt?
So you'll think I'm a real lightning bug.
So they'll think you're a real lightning bug? Oh, I just saw one.
Where?
Right over here. Let's see if we can see one. Here, stop right here. Let's show him the camera again. Let's see if he... Oh, there he is.
Where?
Right here. He's right down here somewhere. He's on the ground here somewhere. Where are you, little lightning bug? Where are you?
Come on, let's go down.
There's one over here. There he is, right there.
Where's he?
He's right here on this leaf.
I
got him. I got him in my hand.
Let me see. Does it hurt him to hold him?
Nope.
Here,